Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name is James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2003 Audi TT. It's a 1.8 20 valve turbo. It's done 80,000 miles and it's got full service history. Okay, so the walk around video came about because, you know, more and more people haven't got much time to spend looking at vehicles, so we wanted to make it as easy as possible for people to buy vehicles from us. So today I'll be walking around the vehicle. I shall show you any marks, any scratches, any dents on the car. We'll be looking at the tyres, the wheels. We'll have a look in the boot, inside, under the engine bay, and then obviously under the vehicle as well. If after I've done the video you've got any questions, all my contact details will be on the very last page for you to give us a shout. Happy to answer any questions that you may have. And also, if you need something to see something in a bit more detail, we can do that for you as well. There's a few things to mention. If you are happy with what you see after you've watched the video and you want to just buy it, a small deposit will secure the vehicle, and we can actually deliver the vehicle anywhere in the world. Obviously, worldwide, I'd need to know which port you were going to, but in the UK, I just need your postcode, and I'll get you a price for that, no problem at all. We can arrange finance on this. You'd need to give us a shout and ask us about that, and we can go through an application within a few minutes and usually get you a decision within about an hour. Okay, so I'm recording the video in HD, so whatever you're watching it on, obviously make sure that it's on the best possible settings for this. Right, so we'll start from the front and we'll work our way around. The aim is for this that I will show any marks on the vehicle, any scratches, any dents, and point out anything as if you were here in person, so you'd see it as it was like that, if you like. Okay, so just looking over it, I have to apologise, it's been raining here just, so it's a little bit wet. Not much I can do about that, unfortunately. There's no obvious damage on the bonnet at all. Everything looks nice and clean. While we're here, let's have a quick look at the windscreen. And there's no damage on there, there's no cracks, there's no stone chips. Front bumper, really clean, no scratches I can see at all, no stone chips, everything looks nice and tidy. Front wing, again, very clean, very tidy. So passenger side front wheel and tyre, wheels in good condition. Tyre, loads of tread, I guess at about 6mm, give or take. Okay, so let's work our way down the passenger side. Again, I'm looking for any marks, scratches or dents. And as you can see, it's really clean. Rear quarter, again, there's no dents. However, there is a very light scratch, as you can see. I think actually it doesn't look that bad. I think it's probably, if you can see where I'm rubbing it, it's coming off. So I think it's like one of these bushes or something we've gone against when I've driven it around. Can't actually feel it on my finger. And if you watch, it's coming off, look. So it's nothing. Okay, so passenger rear wheel and tyre, wheels in good condition as you can see, as is the tyre, same amount of tread. Rear lights, good condition, no damage. Got a little bit of a mark there in the plastic, it's not bad but it's there. It's got the twin tailpipe, which if I remember right means that it's got the higher output, and I've seen these with single tailpipes before. The rear boot's nice and clean. No damage. And again the rear light, again no damage. I've got a little bit of a rub mark there. You see that? Put this into perspective for you. You can't see that at all really, but it's there. Roof's in good condition. There's a little bit of fading here, but you know, dead easy to recolour those if you were bothered. I had one of these myself years ago and they were so easy to maintain and use and run. Roof's in really good condition. Okay, so rear quarter, just seen a little dent there. You can see that. Hang on, let me just. Can you see that? It's tiny, but it's there. The rear quarter's nice and clean. There's no damage on there apart from that one little dent, which I'm sure you'll agree is nothing. So, driver side rear wheel and tyre. Wheel's in great condition, as is the tyre. It's matching, so loads of tread. Let's go down the driver's side. Yeah, very clean. So no obvious dents or damage, everything's in nice clean condition. So finally, driver side front wheel and tyre. Wheels in good condition again, as is the tyre. Loads of tread. Okay, so let's look inside. So in the door card you can see you've got your electric windows and mirrors. It's got the upgraded Bose sound system. Leather seats are in great condition. Nice colour as well. Usually they're like that grey or the black. These are really nice and clean. The bolsters are really nice and firm. Everything's nice and clean and tidy. Let me just jump in. Trying to keep me dirty boots off the floor. So inside it's nice, it smells nice. It's obviously not been smoked in. There's no nasty smoke smells. Everything looks just nice and smart. It's got a Pioneer DAB radio. And there is where you've got your electric boot opener, which I'll show you in a second, your alarm and your fuel cap. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Let's do the roof. Dead easy to do. All you do is press that in, twist it, and then I'll tell you what, we'll start it. So 80,000 miles, starts on the button, sounds nice and sweet as well. So down here, you see, you press that button like that, and it'll open automatically, no problems at all. Let's have a look at the passenger seat. Oh, zoom that out. Passenger seats again really nice and clean, matching, very good condition. Switch that off. Let's bring the hood back over. As you can see, it works without issue. When you do that last bit, is just bring it there and it's shut again. As I say, everything else, got a couple of cubby holes for your bits and stuff in there. Centre speaker. Yeah, it's nice. Right, so switch it off, we'll have a look under the bonnet, and we'll have a look in, let's actually look in the boot while we're here, and we'll look in the bonnet as well. So in the boot, decent sized boot actually for saying how small the car is. Everything's nice and clean. It has got a spare wheel, not just an inflation kit. under the bonnet. Oops, excuse me. Under the bonnet, obviously you can see that it's been well maintained. It has got full service history. If I remember off the top of my head, I think it's had 13 services in total. So it's obviously been well maintained and looked after over its years, which is really easy to see, to be fair. Not a great deal to see, as you can probably appreciate, but it's there for you to view. Right, so we'll try and have a quick look underneath it. Not so easy because it's so small. Low, obviously. But looks nice and tidy. There's no signs of any oil leaks or anything like that, so that's good. Okay, so I'll end the video there. Hopefully you've seen everything that you would need to. Obviously, like I said to you before, you know, if there's anything that I've missed or you want to see in a little bit more detail, give me a shout. I'll be happy to do that for you, no problems at all. It's a nice car, it drives well. Obviously it's a great price. And hopefully you're happy with it. So we'll end the video there. Thanks for watching, stay safe. Bye bye.